quantities of heat required to raise the temperature of two solid copper spheres of radii R1 and R2, where R1 is given by 1.5 R2 through 1 Kelvin are in the ratio. We know the formula for heat, Q is equal to ms delta T. S is same as the material is same, and delta T is given as 1 Kelvin. So Q1 by Q2 is equal to M1 by M2. Mass is density into volume, which is rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. For our copper sphere, these terms cancel. Then we get Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2 whole cube, which is 1.5 R2 as given in the question. R1 is 1.5 R2 upon R2 whole cube. So Q1 by Q2 is equal to 1.5 cube, which is 3 by 2 cube, which is 27 by 8. So the correct answer is option 3.